Okay, thank you. This present, uh, I will explain that about recruitment and labor. The first, introduce myself. My name is Bilgra Saparanda. My number is B1024201042. Thank you. Which is I will start from the one question until the end. Okay. Okay. Is that about what is the recruitment and labor? Recruitment is becoming more important as a labor market shifts. Although recruiting can be expensive and upsetting concept that must consider is the cost of unfilled jobs. And the next, why it's important. Uh, it's important. Yes, of course. Is that to reach out to the individual through professional networking site or available contact channel to let them know about company job opening. If successful, this individual fill out job application, attend job interview, and accept job offer to contribute to company activity. Because it brings several benefit to a business such as help company hire talent individual, allow company to hire individual who value the same principle and other. And next about video, three video. Uh, the first video are about recruitment, and the second video about three recruitment method you must know, and the last one is the recruitment process. Okay, let our discuss about the first video. Explain that recruitment have three form. There is employment brand is the way your organization, prospective applicant, candidate, and employee perceive you as an employer. Recruitment process include three primary elements: planning, job posting, communication, and recruitment method are means used to searching candidate to reach successful organization, use both internal and external. And then the second video is explain that three recruitment method. There is test IQ, the general mental ability, or GMA test. IQ testing is arguably the most well validated concept in social science. Use IQ math-based predictor. Second is unstructured employment interview. No doubt that you are probably already using interview in our hiring process. And the last one is of three recruitment method are means structured employment interview, combining structured interview with a GMI test. Was the second highest predictor of future performance in Schmidt and Hunter's meta-analysis. And the last one is video about building a great time by way of with several steps. 3 is defining the role, make decision, and you need take someone on, perhaps employ directly on own business. And the next is ideal person are means about each employee have to feature specification and systematic way will help company do selection. And last one is selecting the right candidate, so how employee have skill and experience, and then do interaction in organization. And what can you get from watching the three video above? It's about process recruitment and the best performance to do with result good employee equality in any sector. This is very helping. And the next number about HR headline on page 177 is that about knowing passive job seeker. And what my opinions about HR headline is will helping the company reach the goal, and employ individual who may not be considering other jobs but who are recruited. And what you can learn from this HR headline is HR headline teach how to become active in a company. It will be helping their organization with interaction and other. And next number is about what does recruiting require an employee to do. Example: working with a recruiter who is an industry expert can help maximize your option and ensure you get a fair market offer. Next number, what do you know about training of recruiter and manager? Training on recruiting related activity, communication skill, and job specification detail is common. Also, those involved in recruiting should learn the type of action that violate EEO regulation and how to be sensitive to diversity issue with applicant, such as training area often include appropriate language to use with applicants so that racist, sexist, and other inappropriate remarks do not hurt the image of the employer and result in legal complaint. The next number is mention and explain the labor market component. The first component is about force population, which is made up of all individuals who are available for selection if all possible recruitment strategies are used. And the second is the applicant population is a subset of the labor force population that is available for selection if a particular recruiting approach is used. And the last one is the applicant pool consists of all persons who are actually evaluated for selection. The next number is about what are the considerations for determining applicant population. Several consideration of determining applicant population. Number one is number and type of recruit needed. Number two, timing of recruiting to ensure timely placement. And third, external and internal method on job detail. Four, qualification of competent applicant to be considered. Number five, sort for obtaining qualified applicants. Number six, outside and inside recruiting means to be used. And the last one is administrative recruiting and application interview activity. Next number is about recruiting for smaller firms can be challenging. Why? Because smaller companies have a somewhat unique recruiting challenge. Small organizations typically have some HR people doing some of recruiting, but they also manage employee relation, training, payroll, compensation, and benefit among other roles. Smaller firms also find it more difficult to manage hiring fluctuation throughout the year. Next number, what do you know about labor market? Labor market can be viewed in several ways to provide information that is useful for recruiting. It is important to understand the broad labor market from which candidates are identified and attracted. This labor market can include both internal and external searches. Please explain the following. Number one is E. Recruiting present and image. Recruiting effort may be viewed as either continuous or intensive. Continuous effort to recruiting offer the advantage of keeping the employer in the recruiting market. And B. Employment, branding and image. The employment brand or image of an organization is the view of it held by both employees and outsiders. Organizations that are seen as desirable employer are better able to attract qualified applicants that are those with poor reputation. And C. Professional employer organization and employee leasing. A specific type of searching use professional employee organization or PEOs and employee leasing. The employee leasing process is simple. An employee signs an agreement with the PEO, after which the step is hired by the leasing firm and leased back to the company for a fee. And the D is about regular versus flexible stepping. Much recruiting will be done to fill staffing needs with regular full-time or part-time employee. Decision as to which should be recruited hang on whether to seek regular employer or to use more flexible approach, which may include temporary or independent contractor, flexible staffing use worker who are not traditional employee, using flexible staffing agreement allow an employer to avoid some of the costs of full-time benefits such as vacation pay and pension plans. And E about temporary workers, temporary employee who use temporary employee can hire their own temporary staff member or contract with agencies supplying temporary workers on rate per day or rate per week basis. And if about independent contractor, some firms employ independent contractor as worker who perform specific service on a contract basis. This worker must be truly independent as determined by regulation used by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service and the U.S. Department of Labor. Independent contractors are used in a number of areas, including building maintenance, security, advertising, and other. Recruiting and EEO diversity consideration. Recruiting as a key employment related with activity is subject to various consideration, especially equal employment law and regulation. As a part of illegal compliance in the recruiting process, organization must work to reduce external spread impact or underrepresentation of protect class member compared to the labor market utilized by the employer. And about internet recruiting. The internet has become the primary means for many employers to reach for job candidate and for applicants to look for job. The growth in the internet use a key reason the following employee action. So, adjusting general employer recruiting system to use no new approach, and the second, identify new type of recruiting for specific job, and also training manager and HR professional on technical recruiting sort skill and responsibility. And the A about recruiting means the growth in the internet has led both employer and employee to use internet recruiting tools, such as site, blogs, Twitter, and other type of internet. And the last one is about G, recruiting and internal social networking. The internet has led to social networking of individuals on blogs, Twitter, and a range of websites. The informal use of the web presents some interesting recruiting advantages and disadvantages for both employer and employees. Social and networking sites allow job seekers to connect with employees or potential hires. And the next number is about HR on page 119. What is this about and what you can learn from the HR on the job? Is that about effective recruiting using employer website, and this HR teach about employee who are effective recruiter through their company website have set the enhance the image of their company and their job. Next number, how do you recruiting using special technology means from the internet has been used by people globally. Several special internet tools that can be used as part of recruiting effort are blogs, video, and Twitter, and so on. And next number, what are the advantages and the disadvantages of internet recruiting? Advantages to using internet recruiting primary on is the many employer have saved money using internet recruiting versus other recruiting method such as newspaper, advertising, employment agency, and survey, all of which can cost substantially more. Another major advantage is that a very large pool of applicants can be generated using internet recruiting. Internet recruiting comes with a number of disadvantages. Because of broader exposure, internet recruiting often create additional work for HR staff member and other internal. And the next number is about mention and explain the external recruiting source. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of external recruiting source? External recruiting is a part of effective HR staffing. Regardless of the method used, external recruiting involves some common advantage and disadvantage. The advantages is new source bring new perspective. Training new hire may be cheaper and faster because of fewer external experience. New hires are likely to have fewer internal political supporter in the firm. And the last one is new hires may bring new industry insight and expertise. And the disadvantages, the firm may not select someone who will fit well with the job and the organization. The process may cause more problems for internal candidate not selected. And last one is new employee may require longer adjustment period as well as orientation effort. Mention and the next number is mention and explain what include in effective recruiting aid. This information on the job and on the application process, job title and responsibility. There is geographic or flexible location of job, starting pay range, acceptance of online application, where or how to submit application or resume detail, closing date of application, and the SAR candidate qualification is years of experience, 3 to 5 key characteristic of successful candidate, special useful work capability, and last one is information on organization is organizational value and culture, and EEO employer, primary business capability, unique characteristic and recognition. Last one is about what is chapter about, and have you read of this chapter? What can you learn from this chapter? Chapter about recruiting labor market. Yes, I have read to fill our topic in discussion. This chapter teaches the labor market is a means of finding employee by recruiting, where recruitment is an instrument to get employee. Then recruitment and the labor market can be found easily on various social media because of the development of digital technology today, which is increasingly advanced. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you, sir.